Good morning. It's a Saturday and it's already 8:10 a.m. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that it's already 8. Lah, lali ko nakabutang kagahapon og serum on my face. So I thought something is wrong with my face. Anyway, yeah, Sophia is already awake, so we're gonna make milk now for both of them. And then I really had to wake up early because maglaba unta ako. I want to laba. But the weather outside is a bit funny. Gloomy. Gloomy and cold. Later na lang before going to work. And then I'm gonna make kuchinta as promised, so that my colleagues at work will be able to taste ng mga Filipino nga anak ko nga dessert pa na sa atong kuchinta. Mag-snack ito man ang snack sa ila at solution outside, pero lang ko na ilahaw niya. Ambot lang na ba sila sa coconut? We'll see. Ang isa, ang maha, gusto magmakasa, pero pati lang siya maha before. And wala sa ko ka-try na ba ko ano nga maha, nakalimot ko nang mahagikan sa box pa. Kani manggod, lamian ko. I don't know kung lamian sila, pero gagmayon lang ako. Here's the baby. Wali ligo. You did not ligo. Why did you not ligo? I'll make your milk now. I'll make your milk first. So, till later. So we're gonna make this one. But I'm still gonna check online kung how much water should I be putting ba. Kuchinta.
This one and this one?
No, that's for the bread that you got, remember?
I know it. I said that to Papa.
Yes. 1 cup of water lang yun eh. I'm just gonna get 1 cup of water first, okay?
Okay.
You want to ligo na on the pool now? Or later?
It changed.
What it changed?
No, there's no fun. The one that always is lagging.
Okay.
I'm gonna play the mining game again.
Okay, play the mining game. Have fun. Anyway, naku ito something to share. Because Noah said last night, Mama, there's a kid lagi ba, a boy. Sige, we'll just say the name Lan. Pero he's not sure if that's the name. But he said he pushed me yesterday. No, why? Did you ask why are you pushing me? No. Or maybe he wants to be friends with you. But he did not say anything man. Maybe because he's scared to talk to you because you speak English. You need to speak in German also. Then he said, no, we were just playing in the kuan. We were just playing in the playground, and then he pushed me, and it was not a friendly push. It was hard daw kuno nga push. Ano ko nga, did you tell your teacher about it? And he said, no, because our teacher was far from us. Ako nga, next time you have to go tell the teacher. So nga, I think the boy is a bully. Ako nga, alam mo, nagyan na ako mga fears dayon. Kung nga maybe he just wants to be friends doing, you try to talk to the kid first. So I don't want to, okay, maybe he's a bully, he's trying to bully me. Kung nga then tell the teacher tomorrow. And so nga, no, not tomorrow. Tomorrow is a rest day. Because I told them that Saturday and Sunday are rest days. Only Monday to Friday at school. So yeah, we'll see on Monday. I told him, oh, Kuan, show me on Monday who is that kid that's pushing you. So that if he pushes you again, we will tell the teacher about it. Okay. The kids mo good here ba kay kanang magkuan man sila, magbehave man sila, pero kanang lingas ba? No, sad kay sobra ka kuan kanang proper. Actually galingas mo gyapon si Noah, makasab-an ganin na siya. Pero kanang proper lang gid siya ba? Di siya into anang tuklod-tuklod. Sometimes yung tuklod-tuklod gaya na siya. Pero mahadlok siya ba nga kuan makasakit og other people, other kids especially. Maski si Sophie matuklod niya ma-realize niya nga hala, I pushed Sophie. Malain na dahil niyang gibati kaya nakatuklod siya og yung manghod. What are you looking at, ma'am?
I just want to see what you're making. What are you making?
Okay.
What are you making?
It's kuchinta. Anyway, that's it. How about Sophie? Sophie is well loved by her classmates. Did someone bully you in school, Soph?
No.
No?
No.
They all like you ba? The kids ba?
Yeah.
They are all so nice.
Yeah.
And what's the name of the other classmate that you have, the Vietnamese friend? The friend that looks like you. She hugged you yesterday before you went home. She wanted you to stay longer. What's her name? Did you ask?
Do you remember Emmy?
No. Emmy is the name of that girl?
Emmy always say yes to me.
Oh, who's Emmy? Mira is the other girl that holds your hand all the time, right? Mira.
Yeah, and Emmy is the girl that's also 5 like me.
That's also?
Emmy is also 5 like me.
Emmy is also 5 like you.
Yeah.
Who is Emmy? What does she look like? How does she look like?
You're not me, so you cannot see Emmy.
Why? Why can I not see Emmy? When we go to school, you tell me who is Emmy, okay? So that I will know who your friends.
Okay.
To tell me, Mama, this is Emmy. Mama, this is Mira. Mama, this is... There are so many kids there, oy. Okay, we need to who your friends are. The kids are so talkative and friendly. Even to the parents. They talk a lot. We went to like this, like that. We ate our breakfast. They tell us what their food was. They tell a lot of things. They're so friendly in the kindergarten. All your friends are there, so no?
Yeah.
Always be nice to them, okay? Always be kind.
Yeah.
And try to talk to them in German. Schuhe anziehen. Schuhe an. What does that mean? Schuhe an?
On your shoes.
Yeah, put on shoes. Schuhe ausziehen.
Remove your shoes.
Yeah. Mutze an. Mutze.
Mutze an.
It's your for the head. Mutze is for the head.
Hat.
Yeah, your hat. Jacke. Jacke an.
Remove your.
An. Jacke. What is jacke? Oh, jacke is jacket.
Jacket.
Jacke an. That means put on your jacket.
On your jacket.
Rucksack.
So.
What is rucksack? It's your backpack.
Backpack.
Aya is being noisy lagi ito. Aya don't be noisy kay Papa is still sleeping. So that's it. I'm done na with the kuan. It's kuan na. But I'm just gonna make it small. So they are the kuan, the pool of the kids. That's their pool or bathtub. That's the color bit reddish ba or red orange because I put something like this, Pineapple Festival. Yeah, the last time I was not able to show it kay the kids were inside and it's bawal ba when there are kids ba nga kuan bold. So yeah, is it because Sophia was kuan mania, she wanted to ligo. Warm, so it's okay. Now I'm gonna continue with magpilo na siguro ko. I'm done naman eating. I ate cereals and my kuchinta is still cooking. So I'm just gonna do the laundry ba. I will pilo na. Kani bitaw ay tanawa nang tanggal siya. Hindi siya sturdy. Oh, the baby is excited. So yeah, I'm done with folding the clothes. There. Put them there in the on the floor. Okay. So now I'm looking for leggings for Sophie pa. I found pa 3 more. Okay. I want her to wear shorts, pero if they play outside, it's better to use these. And then kuan siya. Okay, the things that I have here kept are for winter, autumn and winter. Kanang pang cold ba? And these I found kuan kanang nipis. So what else? 3 I need 5 for Monday to Friday. Just gonna look first and then for Aya as well. Okay, para silang duha ma-prepare na ako. Tomorrow I also intend to I want to kanang plancha, iron the clothes and prepare it for their for the next week. Okay, I still have to check first what's the weather next week. Right now it's a bit gloomy. Di na siya di siya grabe kainit.
Idea how these sports cars are talking.
Talking, they talk. Look, sports cars don't talk. They're just revving their cars.
Yes, I know.
And somebody just kuan. Oh, see?
Edited.
Somebody just edited it. It's not really real. They're just trying to show off, you know.
Yeah.
Why is your mouth dirty? Why is your mouth dirty? What did you eat? What did you eat? What? The Nutella?
Nutella.
And then you're eating candies now. Oy, Papa will tell you to stop eating those things na kay you're gonna eat rice in a while I go to work. Oh my goodness. So yeah. Need to find puro naman ni joggers kang Aya eh. Maybe I'll just let Aya use joggers na lang yun for school. So yeah. I'm gonna let them use joggers na lang also. So pero init lang gud kaayo if they go outside ba. I'll just check first the weather for next week. That's why here lang baya mi ana sa kuan sa Germany nga naka-learn bitaw nga their small talks include how's the weather today, how do you find the weather, how's the weather gonna be until this next week or what, because the weather changes here are kanang kuan ba constant. It changes every now and then. So that's why I need to check the weather forecast and prepare the kuan. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna plancha tomorrow. But tomorrow I still have work. I'm gonna work pa today. So we didn't do much. Sophie already bathed. Aya did not want to. He said later na lang. Should I bring the extra kuan na lang siguro? I'll give it to Tita Mary ba? The scrub suit that I bought. Pero this is size medium. Tering. I'll give it to her. And I also bought mine of the same kuan. O, diba uniform? Pero, okay lang. Kay kuan man. So, I'm gonna give it to her. Kung anong dadon ka pa man. Because Tita Mary is gonna work mansad later. Ay, mukha kung suotong ka no? Because you know, they also give each other like scrubs. Kanang example, they ordered 2 and then the other one is not of the same size. Ano ba? But right now, wala na give laing pants sinuwa ay. Only joggers. Na mag-joggers, lugar siya. Nainit pa man kaayo. Shorts. Na magdula, lagi outside. Oy. Nang naay ka ng mga gravels ba and sand. Unya daw bigma. Mamukmo. Or unsa at least the pants can protect the knees and the kanang skin ba. That's why I don't like them to wear shorts when they're in school. So anyway, I'll just check out and I want to eat pa. I want to go back to sleep pero it's almost, what time is it now? It's 11:47. Need to be at work at 1. So I cannot sleep na. I still have to ligo. I still have to prepare my baon. Need to prepare the balon so that we can save. Actually, there's no stores man sad nearby, which is a good thing. That means I will not spend anything. Actually, I don't even bring money at work. I need to pay Tita Mary pa di I also for the kuan. Kay amo ang boss is celebrating her silver anniversary. Wedding anniversary ba. Then we chipped in money. So yeah. I'm gonna pay Tita Mary kay she's the only one who bought money man ba. So we already gave our share. So right now, look, Mungkin sa maning sound nabilin basig kang mainday. Anyway, I just have to check first. But I am so happy I found 3 leggings for Sophia. So anyway, I'll go na. Good morning. So today is Sunday, August, what is it? 16, 17? Oh, I don't know. Wait, we'll check. 17. Okay. Today is August 17. It's already 9:10. The kids are awake and they wanted to drink milk na. Actually, Sophie is the one who requested for it. I just said you can sleep more, Mama. But Sophie said, Mama, did you forget about my milk? Honey baby. So yeah, we're gonna make milk and then I'll probably go back to sleep if I can sleep. I'm still sleepy, but what else can I do man today? Nothing more. Yesterday after my duty we went to the cellar or the basement. Kaya ang nilabo nun, we went to Laba. So later siguro before I go to work, we need to transfer it na to the trockner or the dryer. But the weather is not so good. It's gloomy again. Yesterday it was also gloomy, and then in the afternoon Mr. Sun came out and it was warm again. Tomorrow I have my day off. Woohoo! But later I have to again to arrange all the their uniforms, all their clothes ba for school. 1 whole week of kuan. Later na lang na ako na problema. Or no, I want to eat first. I will eat first. After this, I'll make milk first. So I'm back from work. Just eating my banana. And turn off this light. Ta-dang! Because I just finished eating. And right now, I need to arrange the things of the kids. Mag-mix and match na ko. So that I won't have a hard time ba tomorrow. Oh, all of these are wet. Ay magkuan sa ako di ay maghalay. So I'll just put you there and I will halay. I have nothing to say man. Ay, I'm just tired from work. I don't know why I got so toxic today. Late na gyud kay ko na human. Because it's a Sunday. Daghang documentation. So many itong document, and then ang mag-receive tomorrow is kay among kuan pa among shift nurse because wala na ila mag-receive. So chief nurse ang mag-receive tomorrow. So I prepared na everything. Pero pag Sunday good, it's quite busy good. Because busy man ang Sunday. I control or monitoring for the fluid intake, fluid output, so, and I'm the one who is in charge for making the so the weekly calendar in the station. So I had to make the kanang unsay events for next week, like when and who For example, na Verbandswechsel or change of dressing, ana, or na mga special endorsement like kinsay na ay cream, kinsay na ay, because it's not every day that we measure like the BP. It's not daily. Sometimes it's only once per week, ana. So it's not really that toxic when it comes to vital signs. Okay, it's not daily man. You're almost done? Wow, good job. It looks better. Good job, my love. So, si Aya, his assignment right now is to finish what he started last Friday. It was also my fault kay wala na ako na monitor ba. So that's why karon pa niya buhaton when it's almost 10. Almost time to go to sleep. Anyway, Omoto, what else do we do in the weekly calendar? Napay givish control or the monitoring of the weight. Naiuban once a week, naiuban twice a week. So, muna siya akong kailangan i-prepare for the weekly calendar. And then, ang gibutang sa system pag Sunday is also the Trinxol menge or the lagi katong input-output nila sa fluid intake di ay kay kuan manggod namgo ba na sa ilahang na ay Wassereinlagerung or kanang kuan ba accumulate of water, so na ay mga swollen nga mga legs, so that can happen. So yeah, what else? Mga kuan na mga nurses notes dayon. If na ay mga kuan special endorsements, nalangan na ako siya ibutang dadto. Then I also made the endorsement. Kay syempre ang mag-duty tomorrow dili man sa taga amoa nga kuan nga station. So i-plaster the medicine I have to prepare as well nga kanang kinsa ang Mercert, kanang mortar and pestle gani. Like that. Ay, hindi nyo nang sasakan. Kailangan mga inaanak ng mga level of preparation. So, not because siya ang kanang unsa na head nurse kay yun mag-matter sa ilaha dito. Ang mag-matter manggod is para sayon ang trabaho sa mag-receive next ba nga dili taga dinha sa station. Kay of course when I'm also assigned in another station, they also make my job easier. They prepare everything for me, so I should do the same para sayon sa mag-receive. So what else? Toxic lang yung ko today. Gikuhaan naman ako og kuan isa ka resident akong isa ka kauban kay murag dugay gikay siya na human pa, which is understandable kay she is new and kuan and dili man sa to siya lisod ikuan ati mano ng isa ka resident, nagtabang po siya sa other residents as well, pero it's not so difficult. So what else? Actually, sa'yo naman taknuman sa akong mga residents. Ito lang yun siguro ko na toxic sa nurses notes. Yes! Hi, baby! I love you! Are you sleepy na? Sleepy na? Yes, baby?
You remember Rexy?
Who's Rexy?
The creature from Jurassic World. Do you remember him?
No.
He died a year ago when he was fighting a Indominus Rex.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's so sad.
But it confirms this another answer T-Rex for both. So it confirms that Rexy is actually dead.
Okay. Okay.
But not the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Okay.
Because he's just killed him.
Okay. Hey, so are you excited for tomorrow to go back to school?
Yeah.
What are you excited about?
To see my friends.
To see your friends? What
Yeah.
are the names of your friends?
Um,
The one with no hair is Mera.
Sarah.
Say hi to Mera, the one who always holds your hand. And then who else? Need to know the names of your classmates. When somebody asks, "Wie heißt du?" What's your answer?
Sophia.
Sophia. When we say
Teaching.
when we say Schuhe anziehen, what does that mean?
Seen remove.
Schuhe anziehen,
On your shoes.
put on your shoes. When you say Mutze, what is Mutze?
Jacket.
No, Mutze. It's for your head, the hat.
Hat. Cap is hat.
That's right. That's Mutze.
What's
What's Jacke?
jacket? Jacket.
Jacke is,
Jacket.
what is jacket? Jacket is
Is to wear. Jacket is hat.
Jacke is jacket.
Jacket.
Jacket is jacke.
Jacket.
Jacke,
Jacket.
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 Mutze,
Mutze.
hat.
Hat.
Hat,
Hat.
Mutze.
Mutze.
Jacke,
Jacket.
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 Jacket,
Jacket.
jacke.
Jacket.
Anziehen,
And seen remove your
put on.
Put on your shoes.
No, I did not say Schuhe anziehen. I just say anziehen. Anziehen means put on.
On.
Ausziehen,
Aus. Seen.
put off or remove.
Put off or remove.
When someone says, Sophia, anziehen.
Unseen.
That means put.
Put off.
No. Anziehen.
Take on your shoes.
Put on. Well, I did not say man Schuhe anziehen. I just say anziehen. Anziehen is an. An is
Take on.
on. An is on.
On.
Aus is remove.
Remove.
So if I say Jacke anziehen,
Jacket.
is Jacke is
Jacket.
Jacke, jacket.
Jacket.
What is jacket? Jacke.
Jacke.
Anziehen, anziehen is
Roll. Take.
Jacke anziehen.
Take.
What is anziehen? An.
Unseen.
An is
Take on.
put on.
Put on.
Ausziehen. Ausziehen is
Is.
what is aus?
Aus is take off.
Yes, take off. That's correct. What is the bag for the back? Backpack. Rucksack.
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 Rucksack. Rucksack.
Oh, that's your bag. Rucksack.
Rucksack.
Mutze. What is Mutze? Mutze is
Hat.
hat. Jacke. What is jacke?
Jacke is jacket.
Jacket. Rucksack
Rucksack.
is your
Bag.
bag. Schuhe.
Shoe and seat.
No, what is Schuhe?
Shoe.
Shoes. That's right. And then what else? Are you gonna bring another mutse tomorrow? Not the kuan, not the Disney, because kuan, it's dirty pa, it's wet. Need to kuan, prepare that later, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Mama.
Right now we're choosing clothes for Sophia. Sophia first. So I already got the three leggings. I wanted to do this one, but it needs to have belt. So belts we don't want. Wow, Aya, it's so nice. Good job, my love. Cool. Wow, cool drawing. I will show your cool. Wow. It's very colorful.
There's a black right here, so I added a black.
Yeah.
There's a blue right here, so I added a blue. There's an orange right here, so I added a orange. There's a pink right here, I added a blue. There's a blue right here, I added a blue. There's a brown right here, I added a brown. There's a green right here, I added a green.
That's right. Good job. Good coloring, my love. So now I'm gonna think of which to put tomorrow. Ay, hello, we need to check the weather for tomorrow. Baby love, can you please get the phone? That one, no?
This one.
Yeah. Yes, that one. Yeah. But we're gonna check the weather for tomorrow and the next days.
Two cell phones.
Yes, please.
I have to do it on a hard surface.
So maybe the Gopti. The Gopti. Only this one, my love. Only one. So we'll have to check whether.
It said two cell phones by.
Yeah, I said yes, boss. Sorry. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
So tomorrow is sunny day.
Mama.
It's gonna be very sunny. Tuesday
Yeah.
as well. Wednesday is a little bit cloudy. Thursday is also cloudy. The rest of the week is cloudy.
Oh, Mama.
But it's better. It's only until 24, 20. Yes, only 25 degrees. Oh, thank you, Lord.
Look, Mama.
Not too hot.
Do you
Yes.
know why there's nuts over here?
No, I don't. Wait, why are you still awake, or you're supposed to sleep now? Why are you still awake?
I just want to show you something.
Okay, show me
This is
something then.
actually it's behind the writing over here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look.
Oh.
The homework.
That's right. Wow, you're so cool. So, that one, and the pink one as well. So,
Papa,
pink
you know
one.
that
Wala kang partner sa pink one.
tired, right?
Maybe this one, the purple one.
I was a little bit tired, right?
Na, sleep na. So, this one. So, 3 na. We need 2 more. I don't want them to wear shorts in school because might get boo-boo. So we'll look for other pants. You only have shorts man here. Oy, shorts and dresses. And this one is also kuan man good. It's warm inside ba? And it's too hot pa man these days. So we'll look for other stuff. This one is for inner money. Oh, but this can be also ba? Let's see. Pang inner. This is actually heater ng pang inner, so that the kuan will be kuan kanang for winter ba. Ang shorts na all shorts.
Mama, you didn't give me a purple pencil for the left and right.
What purple pencil you mean?
Like
That's just a pencil. It's not a coloring
last
pen.
day. You
Need to
didn't
write
give
your
me-
name here, Noah.
Last day you didn't say. You didn't give me a purple
pencil?
Because my teacher said to pull out a purple pencil for the left and then the red for the right. Only had the red.
How about this one? No purple here?
No purple, look.
That's right. There's no purple. Is this not purple? It's blue. No, why is it kulang man? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12. There's supposed to be purple here. I'll just give you another one. There's...
Maybe you got the purple one I was missing.
No, there's 12 of them here. The pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Maybe this is the purple day. Look at. Because this is red. This could be purple. This
No,
is...
it's not purple.
So what is it then?
It's dark red.
Huh?
It's dark red.
Oh, really?
Here, look at the red.
I'm not quite sure, man.
Look at it at the
Yeah, but it seems like purple
It's
to me.
not purple. It's
Red, you said.
it's dark red, not
Yeah,
red.
but yeah. So we have a problem then. We don't have anything else. So maybe a blue instead for this one. Let's see. So we need to find another pants for Sophie, no? And for Ayana next. It's okay na for this one for Sophie. Or undies na lang. I will prepare first the undies. This one as well. Pants na like ko lang. Don't want Sophie to wear shorts. Very good. I'm gonna look for pants first. But I already have 3 sets. So I found one more pants there for Sophie. This one. Let's do the Kuanta Squishmallows. This one and the Squishmallows. The rest are still for Kuanta. Still for drying. And then maybe this one. Isn't it too small for Sophie na? Isn't this too small for you, Soph? I think it's too small now for you. Oh, does this belong to you? Maglibog-libog na taday. Or maybe this one na lang, Soph, no? This leggings na lang siguro. This one I think is too small for you na. So you'll do the leggings na lang and this one
Mama,
yes, my love.
how many days and years did it take for me to get born when you said to Papa Jesus, please give me Noah and Sophie?
When I was already, I think, when I was still in school, in college. Although I did not have anybody like a man, I did not have a boyfriend. Only after I met Papa. But I already prayed for Papa God, because you need to pray from your heart long enough. If you really want something, you have to pray for it. That's why, because I want to be like mommy ba, to become a mom.
Okay.
So even if you still don't have any partner like you, do you want to be a dad?
Yes.
Do you want to have kids like you and Sophie, like that?
Yeah.
Then you have to pray for it na, Papa God, please give me somebody who will love me, who will respect me, and please give me kids who are nice, who are kind, like that.
Okay.
Don't forget to write your name, okay?
Yes.
So you have to pray for it, for everything that you want. And for everything that you need, you have to work hard for it. Anyway, so we already have the 5 things. Next is for Aya's clothes. Aya, you're gonna run around, man ba? So you need to have pants on. Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think about this one, Doy? No, this one, the brown pants. This used to be Aya's school uniform in the Philippines.
It's now very old.
It's,
When we
yeah, but it's okay. That used to be what you wear in school in the Philippines.
there's also a white and also a white and red student in uniform.
Foreign what? This one.
Uniform pants,
Uniform pants where?
red and white.
Ah, that's right. But that's for gym class. That's when you go to the gym.
Okay. But why don't I see a gym?
Oh, really? That's right, no? You don't really... Do you play outside when you wear that uniform? No.
No, but we exercise inside the school.
Inside the room, in the classroom only.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So this one, the green.
So we don't have to walk all the way to the room again.
Yeah, that's right. White na lang siguro doon.
Because it's a kid. It's a kid school.
Yeah, that's right. Right now also it's more here because the kids here are only until grade 4, 5? Grade 4. In your class, it's like grade 1 to grade 4 only. No other no other students. The other students are separated na in another school.
Yeah.
Bakit mo tayong blue ko ang red? Ay, yun lang, sorry. This one siguro could be with white.
Also,
mix and match anyway.
Also, the school I was in is also a very old building.
Which building?
I mean a very old school. My school.
Where? Which one?
From the Philippines.
In the Philippines?
Yeah, it's very old.
I think it's not old.
But it already passed years of work.
Not very old, as compared to other schools. That school is still
New?
new.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought it was old.
No, not really.
I said stop. You didn't hear it.
Yeah.
You should listen.
Oh, okay. So you think that Mama is not listening properly. Next time, if you make a mistake, I will point it out and tell you you're not listening properly, okay?
Okay.
Because you're very into the mistakes of other people. So next time, if you make a mistake, I will also tell you. Is it okay? Is that fair enough?
Yes.
So if I tell you right now, oh Aya, you're doing it wrong. You're doing it on the floor. It's wrong. You go there and find your seat and put it and work it on the table.
Okay.
Oh, are you hurt or are you okay?
I'm okay.
Oh. Well, bring this one. Oh, why are you putting all your things on the floor? So I have to tell you that all the time. Yeah? Like if you forget something, if you make a mistake like that, I will tell you immediately.
Yeah.
Will you not get hurt?
Yeah, I don't get it.
Oh, when are you gonna get hurt? Oh, this one, oh, it's already wrong. Yeah. Oh, this one, oh, you left it there. Oh, I'm pointing out a lot of your mistake. Is it okay?
No,
Why no?
it's not good.
Oh, but you do that, man, all the time. It's okay if it's you who's doing it, and then if it's others, it's not okay.
Not okay if I'm doing it.
Are you done?
Not yet. I have to get somewhere and I have
Oh my
to
god,
go.
it's already 11. You don't have time anymore, Aya. Because it's already 11. Very, maguna siya, very, kaya some mistakes of others ba which we need to correct. Okay, kana very focus on, like, for example, if you heard something like that, will correct you, but if siya ang i-correct, ma-hurt siya. Siya kabalo, nakasakit na siya other people ba, which is also not good. So we have to correct some practices. Yeah, manang makabalo siya if what's okay and not okay in the things that he does. So now, okay, sometimes they would think it's okay, agoy. Now they might do it to other people. So yeah, I think I'm done. This is for the house. Gimmicks. 3 na lang iyang socks. I need to correct the socks di ay. Nanong 3 na lang man eh. I need to put it properly. Iya pa yung socks kay very colorful. But this one is not. The other one is colorful. Pang baby. This one as well. You know, let's see. The gray one too. Paw Patrol ng mga socks. I need to check pa if he has socks here. Found more socks. Animangong sometimes we think it's kuanituod ba? Enough na the things of the kids. Binimudaghan na kaayo. But when they go to school, it's not enough. Hala, unsa naman eh. Oh, naghimol-mol ba? Sayang gwapan pa kanina design. So many pag-remove tag saon. So I need to look for another sock. So kanina. Ko pa yung media sa Puma oh. Sa kuan pa ni Philippines. Like it or not. Anyway, what else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I've completed it na. Good job. Good job. So, Monday. Let's find something like a cloth long for Tuesday. Then another cloth for Wednesday. Thursday is this one. And Friday. Yoo-hoo. So, okay na. I wanted to plancha pa unta today. But, tomorrow, I'm so tired na I want to sleep. I will put pa the beds to sleep. I will put pa the beds. I will put the kids to sleep pa. To bed. Then I will just go on tomorrow. Wait lang, let's check the beds of the kids. I need to put 7 euro pa di ay for Noah. Wait lang, I'm gonna get the money first.